Packed with the goodness of fresh vegetables, let us prepare Manchow Soup today. This homemade soup is way healthier than store-bought instant soup. The aromatic and thick soup will warm you through cold winter nights and the best meal if you're feeling under the weather. Let's get started. First, I will finely chop cabbage. Then I'll thinly slice French beans. I'll be using Chinese white crab mushroom as well as button mushrooms. The button mushrooms I'll be chopping it as shown. I have already diced carrots. I'll chop ginger as finely as possible. I have cleaned few stems and roots of coriander. Let me chop it. The veggies are ready. For the garnish, I'll be using instant noodles which I've already boiled. I'll be sprinkling a generous amount of corn flour. For thickening the soup, I'll be using corn flour. Let me place it in a bowl. I'll be making it slurry later. The noodles, let me thoroughly coat it with corn flour and set it aside. For cooking, I'll be heating a tablespoon of cooking oil, adding the bulbs of spring onion, finely chopped ginger, and finely chopped coriander, roots and stem. I'll saute it for a minute. Then in goes the finely chopped vegetables. For the seasoning, I'll be hitting it with little amount of salt and freshly ground pepper powder. Give it a mix. Adding adequate amount of water, I'll be cooking the vegetables for at least 10 minutes. Now that the vegetables are cooked, it will be the time to add the other flavoring agents. I'll be using a little amount of chilli sauce for a bit of spiciness. Then in goes a little amount of soya sauce, followed by white vinegar for a bit of tanginess. And to balance all these flavors, I'll be adding a little amount of brown sugar. I'll be cooking for at least 5 minutes before adding corn flour slurry. I made a very dilute corn flour slurry. This is the thickening agent. Once the soup has cooked for 5 minutes, I'll be adding the China mushroom crabs, which are very crunchy and flavorful, and they need hardly 2 minutes for cooking. Then I'll be adding finely chopped spring onion and coriander leaves. The soup is ready. Let me set it aside and go for the next step. I'll be heating a little amount of cooking oil and placing the instant noodles which I have cooked and coated with corn flour. I'll fry the noodles till they are nice, crispy and golden in color. This looks good and they are done. Let me set it aside. It is the time to serve the soup. Let me place the prepared soup in the serving bowl. Top it up with little amount of finely chopped coriander leaves and green onion and place the fried noodles. If you want a bit of spiciness, you can add a little amount of chili oil. That is totally optional. I would like the soup to be a little spicy, so I'll be serving it with a little amount of chili oil. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe the channel for more such interesting recipes. Have a happy winter.